Once in a while, you end up having a MKV file that doesn't play in your favorite media player. In this case, you will need to convert this file to the widely used MP4 file format. Based on my extensive testing of different online converters and free desktop applications, I came to the conclusion that one of the best options for an average computer user for converting MKV files to MP4 format is a software application called Handbrake. Handbrake is a free open source video conversion software application that is very effective, reliable, and easy to use. It is not coincidence that even PC Magazine rated Handbrake as the best free video converter of year 2023. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use Handbrake software on your computer. Type Handbrake first of all in the search field of your web browser, and then on the next screen click on Handbrake Open Source Video Transcoder. This will take you to the site of the software, the website, and you can see the red download button here. Click on it and choose the destination for saving of the installation file. For the purposes of this video, we'll choose the desktop and click save. And as you see, the download is completed and the file is saved on the desktop. It's a small icon with a pineapple and a glass of cocktail on it. For your convenience, we'll place a link to the website in the description down below this video, so it will be easier for you to go to the website. I'm not going to do the installation on my computer since I have the software already installed here, but I would say that it's an easy process, and I'm sure that you're not going to make any mistakes. Just follow the prompts and the installation will be done in no time. Once the installation is completed, you'll see another small icon on your desktop with a pineapple and a cocktail glass. Click on it and the software will be loaded on your screen. First of all, you have to open the video file that you would like to convert. There are two options here. You can use press this button here, File Open Video File, and then you'll see the File Explorer. You can choose the files from here, but we'll use a different option here. We can just drag and drop the file from the desktop. I already placed the file right here, MKV file, so we click on it and drag and drop it in the field right here, and the file will start to load. And you can see the interface of the software here. The source file is right here, and you have to pay attention mostly to the target format, which is MP4. You can choose different formats whenever you you need to convert files to other formats. And I can tell you that Handbrake is preloaded with the most popular settings that will satisfy most computer users. But if you're an experienced user, you can change the settings to fit your needs. And you can change dimensions, filters, video, audio, and so on. But we are just aiming for a simple conversion here, and we check here. We are aiming to convert the file to MP4 format. The next thing you have to do is just to choose a destination folder where to save the converted file. Click on browse, and again we'll choose the desktop. It will be easier this way, and click save. We are ready to convert the file right now, and when you're ready, you click the green button, start conversion, and observe the progress bar down there, and the file is converting right now. I would like to mention here also that there is no limit on the file size with this software, and it preserves pretty well the quality of the original file. Okay, when the queue is finished, the conversion is finished, then our job is done pretty much, and we can even test the file. Here it is, and the file is converted to MP4 format. Let's click on it. And the file is playing perfectly with preserved quality. Well, that's all for today. If you like this video, click on subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a nice and pleasant day.